Hello there guys, I'm Abdullah and I'm affiliate marketer. I'm doing all the things from the couple of the years, and I have very much experience about the affiliate marketing. Today I will talk about affiliate marketing, that what is the affiliate marketing, and I will teach you all the things about the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. For example, there are many of the platforms like the Amazon. Now you are going to Amazon and pick the link of a specific product. For example, the product may be weight loss product, or maybe a product of some kind of game CD, game DVD, or whatever the product you are picking up, and then you are posting their link to the Facebook or to the Instagram, to the social media. You're posting to the social media, and if the traffic is going through your link to the Amazon website and they are purchasing that specific item you're promoting, then you will get some lead, you will get the profit, you will get the commission. 20%, 30%, 60%, even sometime it is 100%, depends on the product and depends on the platform from which you are promoting the link. And I will tell you how to make 800 to 1000 per month with CPA leads using Max Bounty or Peerfly. You have to choose a Max Bounty is the top affiliate marketing platform, top CPA platform. I will told you to start making money online from the free sources and from the paid sources as well. Then I will teach you to generate the landing pages. I will teach you to generate how to post your links and how to get the leads. I will told you the hacks about the Instagram, that how to generate the traffic, how to take the traffic from a specific niche to your link. How can you do these all the things? So if you are following me step by step, if you are following my videos step by step, I will teach you all these things from the now, and then you will be very successful in it. And I assure you, I guaranteed you that you will be able to affiliate marketing. I will go through you from all these things, from the email marketing, from the affiliate. Actually, the affiliate marketing is with the email marketing. I will tell you about the tools you have to use with the email marketing to automated tool to generate more and more leads, and how to giving the value on these all these things. I will tell you all these things. Just stay tuned with me. I will teach you all the things under the these all the course. So the first video, in the next video, which will be first of the course video, I am going to sign up the Max Bounty, and after that I will, if in some countries maybe Max Bounty is not working, then I will suggest you to go with the Peerfly. I'll be providing you the case study and the references, which will be very important to build your business online. So it's your turn now. Follow me and make some SP income pretty much as step by step amazing way. Make sure every incoming video of mine will make your tomorrow better than today. So stay tuned with me if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to get notified. See you soon.